Ready fishing. Let's go. Whoa! That's a bad one. I have a lot of string on this bad boy, don't I? Look, every time something's biting on it, huh? Did I catch something? I think I did. It's because my thing's yanking. What? I have to cast it more further. Finally, I did a good cast. Mom, things are going near my bait. Duck truck. Do I reel it in? Don't grab my bait. Or else bait truck. But look at my pool. Guys, I think I got a fish. For real. Crazy, huh? I caught a log! Fish! Look at my fish! I caught a big one, did I? I caught a really big one. Take that off. Look at that, guys. That is a bluegill bite. That is a bluegill bite right there. Ready? I'm gonna pass you out. Ow. Please don't tell me I caught another log. Caught another log. I caught seafood. Why do I keep on catching dirty stuff? Oh. if I can cast it out farther than last. My mom's gonna go fishing. So we think it's a fish. Wait. Look at it. Look at that one. Hey, you put the cast where I was gonna cast. Mine went farther than yours. Well, if you guys ever caught a fish or if you guys ever went fishing. I told you! Look at my bait!
You were getting a bite.
I told you! Something was nibbling. Look at my bait. It's almost gone, dude. Look at that. Do you think the fish... Oh, yeah, my top one... I almost fell in the water, and I got really scared, and that's why you heard this, and that's what happened. Why are you guys not looking at me? See this precious face? You don't want to look at it? I see the devil. He got it.
I got one.
I know I did. My pole's wiggling. It's going down. I had to get one. I had to. My pole's shaking. What? What? Oh, I didn't want to get your line. Wait, did I? Nope. That was a bad throw, too. Throw it out. Far. Far. Farther than hers. Oh, stand up. Where'd it go? Oh. Look.
What?
Look at that! Somebody took it! Look. Hey. Guys, I'm getting it. Look! I'm not even touching it. And look. Should I roll it in? Guys, you'll never guess what happened. Look what I caught. And then look at my pole. Look how heavy that thing is.
What is it, Bug?
It's a little treasure chest.
Reel it in. Bring it in so we can see what it is.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Bring your pole over here. Bring your pole over here. Bring it over here. Put it on the chair. Let's see what it is. Come on.
Let's unhook it. Looks like it's locked.
What do you think's inside?
Somebody probably didn't